Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to improve your mic quality on Discord. So first things first, we're going to open sounds here. Now after this thing has popped up, what we're going to do is go to the recordings tab and we're going to right click this one here. We're going to click properties and we're going to go to levels. Now here we have the microphone level. I want you to adjust this to the left or to the right. So when you're going to slide this to the left, it will basically lower the volume. If you're going to slide it to the right, it will increase the volume. Now the reason why we're doing this is because we want the volume of our voice to be at the right level. We don't want it to be so low people can barely hear us, and we also don't want it to be so loud it'll annoy the listeners. Set this volume according to the right level for your microphone. Now once that's done, you're just going to click OK. And then we're going to go to playback. We're going to click here, right click this again. We're going to hit properties and we're going to go to advanced tab once again. Now from here, I want you to click the format, this one. So you can either choose between 44,100 or 48,000. But generally 48,000 is going to be okay. So you should be okay with that. And you're going to click OK after that one. Now the next thing that we are going to go is we're going to open our Discord. Here's mine. Now we're going to go to Discord settings. We have it right here. After opening this one, we're just going to scroll down until we see voice and video. Now from here, I want you to click input device and I want you to choose the right microphone for you. So once that's done, you can just close this by hitting this one here. Now still the same thing for the volume. Adjust this one accordingly. Now after adjusting, we're going to scroll down here until we see voice processing. So for the voice processing, we have here echo cancellation, noise suppression, advanced voice activity, and automatic gain control. So we're going to deal with these first. So what I want you to do is basically experiment in these one. If you're experiencing some problem, I want you to turn them off one by one and see which one is the cause of the problem. For the noise suppression, I think this is very important. Basically, if you have like a very noisy environment, you'd want to enable this one. So use crisp. If you are in a moderate environment, I want you to click standard, or if possible, your room is very quiet, then click none. So the reason why we're doing this is because sometimes noise cancellation definitely affects our voice quality. Now once everything is done, we're going to go here to the quality of service. If you're going to enable the quality of service, it basically is telling your router that this particular application is very important. It's a high priority, therefore it will require a lot more bandwidth compared to the other applications that you have. But I want you to remember that there is a warning here. Some routers or internet service providers may misbehave when this is set. So try to experiment in this one. I already tried mine and it's actually not working very well with mine, so I disabled it just like you can see here. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our device manager. Alright, here device manager, we're going to go to audio inputs and outputs. Click this one here, and then again, this is my microphone. I want you to right click your microphone, click properties, and we're going to click driver. I want you to click update driver. Now for the most part, I want you to click search automatically for drivers, but if you already have downloaded your own driver, you can just click this one and browse and install your driver manually. So in my case, again, this is what I want. I want Windows to search for driver automatically, so I'm just going to click this one here. Alright, so it says that I already have the best driver. Basically, this is the latest driver for now, so I don't need to do that. I'm going to click close. And congratulations everyone, that's how you're going to improve your mic quality on Discord.